Hey! That wasn't too bad.
No. Yeah.
So these will be the foundations for the workshop.
We need something like roughly 40 of these concrete blocks. We've got, I think it's 19. We split them in half, we've got 38. That might be enough.
Let's hope.
This is preparing for our workshop. Once we get these cut, we'll be positioning, spacing them out where we're going to have our floor, set them into the ground so that they're level, and then we can put our workshop floor joists down on them, which will keep them up out of the rain and the damp and the wet. That's the plan.
I think the hawthorn is going to be pretty impressive around our garden this year. The berries in autumn, looking forward to that. Can I have a go?
Yeah. Yeah. We'll set it off.
Probably give us a line to follow.
What was it? Again.
Oh, wuss. You do it, Dad.
No. Yeah. Just right.
Right. Okay. I've got to get in training for the new series of Gladiators, Dad.
Yeah.
Move over.
Move over, hammer. Here comes chisel.
Hammer.
Go on, come in. Yeah, come in.
Oh.
Go on.
That's it, you got the
One
crack.
More, one more. Go on. There you are.
Woo.
Done it.
Oh, wow. Oh, I thought I was well far away. I didn't realise. Oh,
There you
yeah.
go. That's it.
Oh, that's
Done.
best. I shan't be doing another.
There we go.
What followed was a busy afternoon of lugging big bricks in the hot sun. I forgot to put the microphone on the camera for this bit. You'll just have to use your imagination. Bong! Funk! Hup! Ooh! Bong! Hup! Squeak! 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 We probably should have chopped these at the other side of the house, but there we go. It's all a bit more exercise. It was nice to be outside, and the garden was looking lovely. So these are our pad stones for the workshop, and even though they're half size, they're still pretty heavy, and they should provide us with a nice solid base for the floor joists. Hopefully we don't need any more of these. You might remember in my last video I mentioned about the swallows and house martins and swifts that have been flying about over the field. Well, we've had a few living in the eaves just above us here. Although they're not feeding the chicks anymore, they're still about. They're not as active as they were. Hello, Mary. Hello. The plan is to take up some of these, and we're going to put our pad stones down and level it all out so that we can get the floor joists down for our workshop. So the wood has been ordered, and that should be coming in the next week or so, which we're really excited about getting started. So this is all going to change and look very different very soon. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye. Now it's time for a bacon butty.